You make $70,000 a year? So why does your bank account feel empty? Where does it actually go every single month? And why do you keep starting over again? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what's happening and the 3-step system that can fix it. But step 3? Well, that's where everything changes. $70,000 a year sounds good, but after taxes, you're really taking home about $4,400 a month. Now here's the reality. The average American is already spending almost everything they earn. Over 57% of Americans can't even handle a $1,000 emergency. This isn't because you're bad with money. It's because the system is working against you. One car repair, one medical bill, and suddenly, you're going backwards again. And here's the part nobody tells you. You can earn more and still be more broke. Let me show you what's really happening. It's something called lifestyle inflation. Meet Jake.
Yeah.
He's 28, lives in Dallas, and makes $70,000 a year. His rent is about $1,600. Car, insurance, groceries, it all adds up fast. But this is where it gets dangerous. The invisible spending nobody tracks. And just like that, he's spending over $4,000 a month. If this feels familiar, it's because you're living this right now. This isn't about discipline. This is how the system is designed. Apps make spending effortless. Ooh, subscriptions quietly drain your money in the background. Credit cards don't feel like spending. They feel like freedom until the bill hits. So you feel fine?
Yeah.
Until your balance hits 0 again. So the fix is not just spending less. It's building a system that actually works. Step 1. You need a reality reset. Open your bank app. Look at your last 30 days. Cut $500 from the stuff you don't even notice. That alone gives you breathing room instantly. Step 2. You need to control impulse spending. Before you spend anything over $50, wait 48 hours. Most things feel urgent, but they're not actually important. And step 3.
Right.
This is where everything changes. The moment you get paid, move $300 before anything else. Because if you wait until the end of the month,
Well,
there will be nothing left. The average American now carries over $6,500 in credit card debt, and it keeps growing. You don't need to make $100,000 to fix this. You just need a better system. So here's what you do today. Cut $500. Delay spending. Move $300. The difference between being broke
yeah.
and building wealth
Yeah.
is what you do in the first 48 hours after you get paid.